Hi, I'm Shan from Beautybyshanon online, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and installation of this gorgeous ponytail. The ponytail arrives in this beautiful packaging that can be reused to store the pony. It also has a small pamphlet with tips and tricks of how to take care of the ponytail. It's enclosed with a protective hairnet that can also be reused. To make installation easy, it comes with a hair clip and 2 ribbons on the side. The hair is soft, smooth and so silky. I washed, detangled and stretched my hair before attempting the slick back style. I applied some gel to my hair and now I'm basically just brushing my hair up so that I can put it in a ponytail. Because I'm not using any heat on my hair, I am going to go ahead and make a plait, and this will be hidden by the ponytail. I'm then going to go ahead and slide the ponytail into the little pony that I've created with my own hair and use the ribbons on the side to wrap it around. The ribbons add extra security to the ponytail and ensures that it does not slip or fall out. If you want, you can go ahead and take some of the ponytail hair and wrap it around the ribbon. I liked the way it looked with the ribbon, so I left it as is. To complete the look and add my own personal flair to it, I'm going to go ahead and use the same gel that I used to sleek my hair back, and I'm going to use that to lay my edges down. To complete the look, you can go ahead and add some gorgeous clips in like I did, or you can even add a cute scrunchie. And that's it. I absolutely love this ponytail so much. It is so quick and so easy to install. The quality of this ponytail is absolutely amazing. If you were wondering, yes, it is human hair and they do have different colors available. If you would like to get your hands on one of these gorgeous ponytails, then head on over to frontrow.co.za and order your ponytail now. Until next time, bye!